Here we are.
Yeah.
Why am I using this accent?
I don't know, because it's the atmosphere here.
I'm pretending
It's very
in the
English.
Great Gatsby again.
Yeah, exactly.
Trying to get away from the, what did someone say, our period costumes from Deacon's? When really
No,
it was
but
just our outfits?
Yeah, it's just what
We're just
we
really
wore that
into
day.
that era.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, I mean, here we are at another place that's kind of like
That
that
era.
era. Yeah, exactly.
That's true.
There's nothing wrong with that era.
We just want to live during Prohibition.
Right. Well, I don't.
Did you know?
Okay.
Let me tell you, these are the only facts I remember from teaching a Great Gatsby unit.
Okay.
Because I hated teaching the unit. That during Prohibition, which of these three
Boy, multiple choice.
were legal?
Okay.
Cocaine, marijuana, or alcohol?
Well, not alcohol.
Not alcohol.
Okay. I'm gonna say cocaine.
Cocaine and marijuana.
Cocaine and
Apparently.
marijuana.
I don't know if that's. I
I
don't
figured
fact check
people
this.
back then would really love cocaine.
Ooh. Oh my God! Yes. The Sardinian vermouth.
Oh my god. I can't wait.
Sunrise in Japan.
Oh,
And
yes.
Katie's working on the sour right now.
Thank you.
Thank
Ooh,
you
look at that
so
glass.
much. Oh my god, that glass
I
is
know.
pretty amazing. It's like, what am I thinking? All right,
What are you thinking?
we're gonna drink whatever we were talking about
Just
before.
smell this
Forget it.
first, though.
Oh my god.
Let me smell that before you take a sip.
Okay. What is gonna change the composition?
Ooh. Cheers.
Oh my god. These are the best cocktails ever. Watch.
Pro hour to Rach. It's for filming. Oh, damn. So I know I always talk about the blue zone, but maybe this is the secret. It's
the
Sardinian.
alcohol. It's like my dream.
Yeah, it is like your dream. What's in it?
Bergamot. I don't know the type
Gin.
of gin.
It's right here.
And a number of other things that I don't know what they are, but whatever they are, together they are amazing. Kura
Mugwort tincture.
Mugwort.
All right.
Yeah. Is that? It's like a.
It's like a witchy brew. Yeah, I was gonna
It's
say.
very Harry Potter,
It
yeah.
is like that's like a spell.
Is it? Oh no! What were the Mugworts? They were like a.
Oh, we're thinking of Hogwarts.
Yeah, you.
Hog-
Okay. Different words, folks.
Hogwarts. This is no Mugwort.
But
What do
there
you think-
is, I
no,
feel
no,
like-
Muggles.
Muggles.
Mystery solved.
Stupid.
Mugworts. Stupid.
Oh, when really it's like an ultra powerful medicinal herb.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, I'm feeling the effects already.
Yeah. I think that's one of my favorite parts of this place, though.
Yeah.
Oh, Rach knows how to order.
Yeah, no kidding. Look at that.
Right there.
So what is that? I don't even know what that is.
That's Rach got
Shady
the
Grove?
sour. No, yeah, the Shady Grove sour.
Okay.
So it has rye, rye whiskey,
Oh, yeah.
the bay laurel simple syrup, lemon, and then egg white, which gives it
Yeah.
that really velvety, frothy
Yeah.
top.
Oh my gosh.
Looks amazing.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. My favorite part about being here is I know I say this probably a lot, but I like feeling an escape.
Yeah.
Not like I hate my reality.
Right. Everybody needs a little escape.
It's so nice to feel like a fancy adult.
Right.
So-
No, I kind of feel the same way, which is what I was saying before, is that like, you know, I was pretending to be an adult when I was in school by going to jazz clubs and drinking fancy drinks. But it made me feel, you know, better than I actually was. And that's still
Still the
today the
same.
same way. Yeah. Because coming to a place like this and having a drink like that, I mean, how do you not feel sophisticated drinking?
Yeah, I know.
It's unbelievable.
Or like this. I could almost drink anything out of that glass.
No, well, true. Yeah, you can taste that, like, I was gonna say you can taste her passion, but that's not.
No, but you can
Yeah.
in a less creepy sounding way. Yeah. It's like everything is very well thought out.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, and you have to tell me, because I don't know. I know gin, and I know bergamot. Genius, by the way. And the rest, I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't know either until I
Bermuda.
had. Bermudo is like the phonetic pronunciation of vermouth in Japanese.
Oh, cool.
So Okakura Bermudo is a sake, is a junmai, which is kind of like the introductory sake level, where like they rinse the rice to like 60% versus like 20% is like the top shelf stuff.
It's so nostalgic for me here, you know, like the music and the good booze, you know, like I wish I had all my friends like here, you know, it's just like such this event when you come here. And everything that you're saying, I mean, you know so much about this stuff. I don't know anything about it.
Sort of. I really don't know a lot, but I know enough to like talk a little bit about
more
it.
than me, right? And it's all kind of over my head until I drink it. And I'm like, well, of course, it would take something that, or someone to go through this strenuous process of making sure that their liquor is absolutely perfect to yield a taste like this. You know, I mean, it's unlike anything else. And you know,
They're the best.
yeah, you know when you're having good food, and you know when you're having food laden with preservatives and like all this other stuff. This is like
Oh, you mean
straight
this
from the
isn't
earth.
like
It's so
the
good.
Smirnoff raspberry you used to drink? Can you tell us about Mugwort?
Yes. So,
Okay.
you know, I think mugwort is a type of plant that like grows everywhere, and there's a varietal that is, you know, native to Japan that is incorporated into their cuisines and their herbal medicine and things like and flavoring and things like that. And so, that is one of the herbs that's infused into the vermouth. I also feel like and health and enjoyment don't have to be mutually exclusive. Like, you can go out and have cocktails, and I like the fact that they're made from like plants that have medicinal values, because all liquor really, like all the infusions and things like that, the plants, the medicinal qualities are getting extracted from that alcohol.
Perfect.
So, I mean, maybe it's just a way for me to feel better about like imbibing. But I mean, I think I've always been, like, since I was a child, I've always been interested in plants and like nature. And then it kind of like evolved to where I was like on my own, you know, in college, and I had to like cook for myself. And so like the cooking, I loved cooking. So like that was a thing. And then like the cooking evolved once I turned 18. It like evolved into wanting to incorporate those same, because I have an agriculture background in college, and so
Oh, you do?
that and so then I graduated college, and I was like, I want to work on an organic farm, and so I did. And so then that was like incorporating like organic healthy foods and vegetables into my cooking, and then that just kind of like I loved like social gatherings and having parties, and so then I like found myself making drinks and incorporating the same like philosophies of like cooking from fresh food and herbs and plants and flowers that are like grown locally, and incorporating them into my drinks. And then it was like a friend who was getting married that was like, you should make drinks at our wedding. So yeah, I'm just curious about all the flavor, herbal medicine, enjoyment, gathering over things like that.
I was just saying before you came out that your cocktails reminds me of my grandmother's cooking, in that, you know, they spend so much time and effort into creating it because they care about the people who are going to be consuming it, you know, and it comes across like so much in all your drinks.
You were saying that.
Of course.
Cheers.
Welcome to Pearl Hour. We're here at 214 Lighthouse Avenue in New Monterey, and we have been in business since September 7th, 2019, but this location has actually been a bar since the 40s or 50s, so there's a long tradition of this place serving cocktails and creating a community space for people to get together.
Bryan and Rachel here, and I've said this to you a million times. You smell better than any person I've ever met. Do you